KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
ban pensuk ya ginong shong shnong bakin yo jingtip halor ki scheme ba per bat kilat shimram na ki bank hagaju kapor ki weide ki jingdon kam jong ginong shong shnong ha kitnat sarkar ba per hagasing ka banengkong ka dorbar shnong laujin riu nong tmai Shillong haga arpu iterek mentau benai jemang arjar arpu ar kalayo ban pelong ya ka lempung ka balatip kum ka maupat block outreach mela hagani ka lempung ka basisngi ya ka bala pelong ha indoor stadium jong ka nong tmai sports and cultural club kinong shong shnong jong ka shnong laujin riu kalayo jeng mentoi haki babun kiliang namar hagani ka lempung labulut ya baro ki snat kibaya dai bat kitu ki bedang perung gerteng tmai ban yo Aadhaar card ka epic card ka ration card pension ban shimram na ki bank bat ki weide hagani ka sngi ladon hadu palat khat santali ki snat kuntup ru ya ka jing examen bat aidawai a ya kitu ki bashutam mulumala bat ki wei
ki ni ki activities ki bangi pelle hagani ka sngi ki kat par ki ka nakapo mau buat blog mo ya trilang magado basno dia bubun ni ki berde ka epic nata ki Aadhaar nata ki lei nata ki renewal ni ki joka ration card nata ki badan ru ki joka free medical check up nata wedi bat ki bat ki industries ki ba sengkam la jong nata ki dan ru nam ta ki ba ai loan ki scheme na ka bank ki loan ni wedi bagi SBI bagi ni ka jok ni ke bank nong kendok ki aiwan na bagi si ban sutu pai ba kita je nalor kita dang buon ki wi kadi kesien ke baningkong ke bangi bersang na kaliang jong snong dekat bagi terikan rengkat lambat ka mau pat blok tingi kermen ba desi nang ni sakamat ina khamla su ban ra kan ya simen toy nam ta pai ba jong snong lo jreu mar ki babu ni ong kawan nu hakani keski ndai da sidon hi katukan ni bom simnala ban wana kani ka si mentale si ni expect hi binang la hi ban wanra biang kani ka program association ke bajok pat mentasi du kalong sa ke bajok first time ni bagi bersang na kaliang jong da wasno ki so komen sibun na kaliang jongi bat guru na kinong sungsong ki ba ya participate akani ka program ke jongi ki extreme members of snong extreme member jong ka sing samla lo jing re singin thai barok ngilaya snok tilang kani si tingi wan ra kani ka program ko chap ki health camp ru ngidon ini free medical check up aga bai dei bat ki robun ki benta keturuk ngidon namar bala dang ile tang ko we ke program kata kamut ki video ki duna bawan tingi le season le bar khot nei te ki video ki one season 1 bat ki yo ru ka pol ban spend ka sisngi Dep epic kila boleh Aadhaar kila kunta terter mo MHIS kunta terter bat kini smart card kila nanta hawe bat kini ki kunta ki ration card ki yo ban medical check up free hui la dia kadi ga jing mentoi ko ba kongsan wai ki ba kan ya kini tinggi don kam si ban pelong kumnu te ngaling ong arsian system ni ban pelong ya kani program kan adong kepala Mendasi ke biang bah ke respons, ngiyo good respons lagi ba. Itu I mentaru ke lain jong ke Aadhaar ke yang lain jerong bah. Tinggi beliau yang api epic ru kum tu hi smart card ru kum ju hi. Kita hai ke di kongsan hanam ta no sosang jong sang. Bedi begitu ki resource person dei. Nang katu ke kalau arian si ke nak kapok block department. Nak tiga mau pat block. Ila lihat hi madam bar kha gitu. Madam kset la lihat mai bar kha gitu. Dan kaliang jongi long isu ong iki bagin lek kita ti bat nak kaliang jong ka UHC Urban Health Center ru ya keturu lapan biang madam mesti ya pikan
time to time we keep getting instructions from the state, from the center that we have to increase Aadhaar coverage and e-Shram and other schemes of the government which the public is not aware of. So from Maupat block, since last year when the pandemic was in full swing, we had taken the initiative to reach out to the Shnongs who are willing to cooperate with us to have a combined convergence mela with all the departments that are functioning in the block. So as in the case of Laujinreo we have seen, we have got 15-16 departments together in one board. So the people who need to avail schemes like CM's assistance program, national pension scheme, Aadhaar, eShram, MHIS card, they can come to the locality and get it done for those who are unable to come to the block office and visit us. So this was our initiative to bring the block office closer to the public. We have taken all the initiatives. Last year we have written to all the 30 shnongs to cooperate with us. Till date, this is the third shnong which has responded. Last year we have already completed Nongman Song and Umpling. This year we got a request from Laujinreo, so we have come to Laujinreo. So based on the response we receive, if the shnong is forthcoming, then we are willing to go forward. See, bringing the schemes is no problem. But our only problem is that with banks, we brought the SBI for financial literacy campaign. For them, they have to man their office also. So if we fix for banks, Saturday being working day, it becomes a problem for them. So we can try as far as possible.